Today, we're bringing you an exciting story that's about to change the game for Boscobel and other parts of the parish of St. Mary. Picture this. You're a hard-working resident of the community, struggling to make ends meet, but you've always dreamed of a steady job that could provide for your family. Well, your prayers are about to be answered. Brace, because a new call center is coming to the Ian Fleming International Airport lands, and it's bringing hundreds of job opportunities with it. That's right, a call center with a whopping 800 seats is planned for the airport lands, and it's just the beginning of an ambitious development project that could transform the entire area. Imagine having a stable income right in your own backyard, without the hassle of a long commute or the uncertainty of seasonal work. But wait, there's more. This call center is just the first step in a grand vision that includes a private terminal, a free zone complex, warehousing facilities, commercial centers, banks, food courts, office spaces, and ample parking. It's like a whole new world is about to open up for Boscobel and the surrounding communities. Now here's the best part. The Member of Parliament for Western St. Mary, Robert Montague, has been working tirelessly to make this dream a reality. He saw the potential in these airport lands and envisioned a bustling hub of economic activity, and now it's all coming together. But before the construction begins, there will be consultations with the community residents to ensure that everyone's voice is heard and their concerns are addressed. After all, this development is for you, the people of Boscobel, and other parts of St. Mary. So, what do you think? Are you as excited as we are? Can you imagine the possibilities that this investment could bring? We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, your ideas, and your dreams for the future of Boscobel and St. Mary. Who knows? Your input could shape the direction of this incredible project. Remember, this is just the beginning. The jobs are coming, and with them, a wave of opportunities that could uplift our communities and open doors to a brighter future. Stay tuned, because we'll be bringing you more updates as this story unfolds. Until next time, keep dreaming big and believing in the power of progress. Together we can make Boscobel and St. Mary a shining example of what can happen when vision, hard work, and community spirit come together.